Welcome back to Paracosm. We are about to head out from the hostel and go get some breakfast at a restaurant a local recommended to me yesterday, and then we're gonna head to some waterfalls. Should be an interesting day. Just finished up swimming at the first waterfall. Now we're about to go get some snacks from the little hut right here and then head to the second waterfall that's in this park area as well. Dude, this is epic. I'm literally dripping in sweat. Like it's like dripping off my face. It's pouring down rain here in the jungle right now. It's crazy. It came out of nowhere. So after we were done with the waterfalls earlier, we headed home. We stopped at a local Thai market and got some dinner on the way. It was really, really delicious. I had some green curry noodles with some bean sprouts and other veggies. Besides that, just been chilling out here at the hostel the rest of the night. Thank you for tuning in to Paracosm, and I'll see you in the future. Peace!